Hello, guys. Today I am drawing a donut. Let's draw and paint together. Please try to draw with me. They come in all sorts of flavors like chocolate, strawberry, and even ones with colorful sprinkles on top. Eating a donut is like taking a sweet adventure with each bite. Our drawing is ready now. Let's color it. Pink. Donuts come in different shapes, like rings or circles with a hole in the middle. Some even have fun twists or are filled with tasty surprises like jelly or cream. It's like having a mini edible puzzle to explore. Yellow. Green. Red. Blue. Wow! Our donut looks amazing! Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video.